Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Welcome to the mineral identification experiment. In this season, we will identify different minerals by observing and testing their key physical properties. So, my name is Ahmad Bulia bin KHAIRIZAM and my matrix number is TH24024. And my members is Ahmad FAHIM bin Ahmad ZAHIDA TH24041. So we are begin by laying out several unknown mineral samples. Each one will be tested systematically using standard procedure. So for the first, we are going to check the name of mineral, the colors, the hardness, the streak, luster, fracture of cleavage, and the reaction with acid for the last step. Our objective is to identify the properties of the rock, of each rock. So let's identify the name of the rock for the first. Okay, so for the first, if known, we identify the name of the mineral, and then we observe its nature to color. While the color can sometimes be misleading, it offers an initial clue.
So next, we will identify the color of rock. Next, in this part, we need to refer Mansell rock color book. To identify the color of rock, we need to compare the rock with the color data in the book to identify it. As you can see in the video, the sample that we use in this experiment is dark, and the color code for this sample is N3 dark grey.
So next, we are going to identify the hardness of the rock. So as shown in the video below, we are going to test the hardness with using the tools from the Mohs hardness kit by scratching the mineral or attempting to scratch other materials. We determine where it falls on the scale, like the example on the video.
Next, identify the streak of the rock. Now, we perform the streak test by rubbing the rock on a porcelain streak plate. The color of the streak may differ from the surface color.
So next, we are going to identify the luster. So for this part, we are going to test the luster by observing how light reflects from the surface. Some minerals appear metallic and while others are dull or glassy. So in this video, we are using a flashlight from the phone.
Next, identify the fracture of rock. In this part, we need to rubbing the surface of the rock to identify the rock is fracture or flat. If the rock surface is rough and crumbling, it means the rock is fractured. For the last one, to identify the reaction of the rock to the acid. For the final test, we use a drop of hydrochloric acid into fine fragment of the rock that we get from the hardness test on the spot plate. If the mineral show fizzing and bubble reaction, it's a sign that the mineral is carbonate content. The conclusion is, in this experiment, we successfully identify various mineral samples by observing and testing their physical properties, including color, streak, luster, hardness, and reaction with acid. Each test provides key diagnostic clues that help differentiate one mineral from another. By performing this test, we gain hands-on experience in the systematic approach used in mineral identification, reinforcing the importance of careful observation and methodical analysis in geoscience. The experiment also highlight the value of safety practice, especially when handling acid. Overall, the practical application of this technique depend our understanding of mineral properties and their role in earth science study. Thank you.